In order to make your Ketupat icon, first go to Libraries, click on Shapes, and now we're going to make the checkered pattern on your Ketupat. So first start with a square, make it smaller. Okay, place it on top, and we can color this square using your eyedropper. So click on the eyedropper and pick one of the colors in your color scheme. I'm going to choose a light green. Now in order to make the checkered pattern, we will need to make many copies of this square. So Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and place the copy on the bottom right of the first square. Now we're going to copy this again. So Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and now place it on the top right of the second square. So repeat this process, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and place it on the bottom right. One last time, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and place the square on the top right of the previous one. Now, we are going to make the third and fourth rows. So to do that, select all these squares, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and pull down this pattern to make the third and fourth rows. Once done, select all the squares and Ctrl G to group. Now we are going to make the base of the Ketupat. So in order to do that, we'll need one new square. So now we can color this Ketupat base using the eyedropper. Click on the eyedropper and pick one of the colors in your color scheme. I'm going to choose dark green. Place this base on top of your checkered pattern and send to the back. Now, what we are going to do is to clip the checkered pattern onto the base of your Ketupat. And to do that, we'll select both the pattern and the Ketupat base, and we will click on Create a Clip. Now you have the main part of your Ketupat. And what you can do is you can rotate it towards the right to make a diamond shape. You can also add the ribbon part of the Ketupat. So in order to create that, we can pick another square, squish it on the right to make a rectangle, and we are going to cut out a triangle from this rectangle. So pick this triangle and place it on the bottom. Align to the middle, and here you will have the ribbon shape that you want. So what you can do is you can subtract this triangle from the rectangle behind. And to do that, you select both shapes and do a compound shape tool again. Click on Subtract. Now you have a nice ribbon shape here. So same thing, we can use the Eyedropper tool to change the color. Click on Eyedropper tool and click on one of the colors in your color scheme. You can rotate this to the right. Place it on your Ketupat. And send to the back. You can have another one on the right of your Ketupat, so you can just copy it, Ctrl C, and to paste, Ctrl V. Do a flip horizontal and place it on the right of your Ketupat. In order to make the Ketupat look like it's hanging from the top of the page, we can add a rectangle. So pick a square, squish it on the right to make a rectangle, and stretch it to make it tall and reach the top of the page. Place the rectangle on top of the ketupat and send to the back. You can also color it using the eyedropper tool. So click on the eyedropper and click on one of the colors. I'm going to choose dark green. And there you go. This is how you get your ketupat icon.